French fries. Guys, it's time for breakfast. Yay! Yay! I'm gonna eat it. Nom 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 nom. If you finish, let's return to the old emoji and the aliens. What? Return to old emoji and the aliens? Why? To meet ice emoji. Okay. Going to the airplane to return to old emoji and the alien. Okay, guys. Oh, we're landing to the old emoji and the aliens. Now, oh wow, we're gonna land. Oh, in old emoji and the aliens' home. Oh, hi. I miss you guys. And who is that red thing? That's our new dad. Oh, okay. Returning to new emoji and the aliens. Okay, so ice emoji is here. Go to sleep. We will have a new other kid. Okay. Hi, my name is White Bear. You can also explore our house. Thank you. Good night, guys. Good night.